vanilla blizzard brew. Najua hiyo kwa Kikuyu mnapeleka na hivi. Yeah, it's a vanilla blizzard brew. Hey, hata mimi mwenyewe I'm getting caught. My God. Get out. It's a vanilla blizzard brew. Hunnies, I hope you guys are doing amazing and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Roland. I know, third day of breakfast drinks. We're really doing this, you know? So today I'm gonna show you how to make something simple, quick and easy. And here's the best part. It uses a tea bag. I know, for my convenience peeps, my Gen Zs, I got you. My millennials, I got you. So today we're gonna make a vanilla blizzard brew. Najua hiyo kwa Kikuyu mnapeleka na hivi. Yeah, it's a vanilla blizzard brew. Hey, hata mimi mwenyewe I'm getting caught. My God. Get out. It's a vanilla blizzard brew. Wow. Embarrassment. It's a vanilla blizzard brew. Yes, blizzard brew. Vanilla blizzard brew. So let me show you the ingredients, then can get started. It's a pretty simple, pretty easy recipe. Like we said, these 5 drinks of Christmas, we're gonna make them pretty quick, pretty easy, pretty affordable, and tasty as well. You know, that's the most important part. So let me show you the ingredients, then can get started. Ingredients we're gonna be needing for this video, we're gonna be needing 2 tea bags from Kericho Gold, some slices of lemon. This is some dairy-free whipped cream for the topping. And lastly, if you want a bit of zestiness or a bit of citrusiness to your drink, I'd advise you add this lime syrup. This lime syrup, like I told you in yesterday's videos, is the bomb, you know? So yeah, pretty simple, pretty easy. Let's get started on cooking. So after those quick and easy steps, let me show you something. Ati Malisa Fichito. Hey, this is it. You know? This is the bomb. So our delicacy is finally done. But before we give it a taste test, kama kawaida, you know the drill. Cue what? As you guys have seen, fantastic. It looks amazing. So why not give it a taste test that you can wrap this up, you know. So I think we'll start with the tea, then the accompaniment. Now, if you notice, I haven't put any cream on my tea yet. That's because I'm taking a bit of a break from the cream, you know. Monday and Tuesday I've been having cream, so yeah. So that is completely optional. That is what I wanted to mention. That's why I've said all that. But you can still put the cream. It makes an amazing addition. I always do it when especially when I'm having it at night. Really love doing it. So here goes. Whew. And then, you know, personally, I've been off sugar for the last 2 weeks now. So I don't do sugar, I don't do dairy as of now. Okay, dairy, it's been 11 years, but sugar, I don't do sugar for the last 2 weeks. I haven't done sugar for the last 2 weeks. And it's been amazing. I can't complain. Like, what they say about you not taking sugar is actually true. So yeah, so my tea is just black tea, black vanilla tea with some lemon and some lime syrup. So, but if you want to add a sweet element, I could definitely suggest you adding the cream. Just make sure your cream is a bit sweet and not like natural cream. So paired with some roasted wedges. So that is it for this video, honeys. Yeah, I'm feeling a type of way because we've finished breakfast drinks. So now we are headed to the one brunch drink and one evening drink, which I'm so excited about because you guys are not even ready for that recipe. So yeah, I guess I'll see you tomorrow. We're doing this consistency. The recipe is on my Instagram on the actual post. My Instagram name, my handle is Roxy's_kitchen. I will link it in the description box. And it's also in the description box, the recipe itself. Hapo kwa description box, just after the description of the drink, the ingredients are listed there. So yeah, guys, until tomorrow, remember life is too short to eat boring food. And don't forget to eat or drink nice drinks for Christmas. Bye, guys.